MaintainX helped Autowash cut mean time to repair by 74%, saving more than $3 million in downtime costs. Across 26 locations, Autowash was managing maintenance through spreadsheets, handwritten work orders, and Teams channels, leaving Autowash with fragmented communication, scattered data, and siloed knowledge. They needed a system that could standardize work, measure progress, and preserve knowledge across the network. So they brought in MaintainX. With MaintainX, Autowash gave technicians instant access to manuals through MaintainX AI and created a connected system for work orders, parts, and warehouse workflows. The results? MTTR dropped 74%. Reactive work orders fell by 15%, and labor productivity increased by 5 percentage points, valued at about $50,000. See how MaintainX can cut your repair times and eliminate downtime costs with the help of AI. Book a tour today.